If you want to quickly change the look and layout of your presentation in LibreOffice Impress, changing the slider master is one of the easiest ways to do it. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to change the slide master in LibreOffice Impress so you can apply a new design across your slides in just a few clicks. This is a great way to refresh the appearance of your presentation, keep your branding consistent, and save time instead of editing every slide one by one. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once it launches, you'll see the Start Center. From here, if you want to create a new file, look on the left side under Create and click Impress Presentation. If you already have a presentation you want to update, go ahead and open that existing file instead. Either way works, and the steps are the same once your presentation is open. Now that you're inside LibreOffice Impress, look at the top menu bar. You'll want to click Slide. This menu contains several options related to slide setup and formatting, and the one we need is the Master Slide option. After clicking Slide, choose Master Slide from the drop-down menu. This is where you can access the slide master designs available for your presentation. Once you open the Master Slide menu, you'll see different Master Slide design options. Take a moment to browse through them and select a different Master Slide design that fits the style you want. This might be a cleaner professional layout, a colorful theme, or a more minimal design depending on your presentation needs. When you click the new master slide, LibreOffice will apply that style to your presentation. As soon as you choose a different master slide, you'll notice the presentation update with the new master slide style. This change can affect the overall look of your slides, including backgrounds, fonts, colors, and layout elements that are controlled by the master slide. It's a fast and effective way to transform the appearance of your entire presentation without manually adjusting each slide. If you don't see the change right away, make sure the correct master slide is selected and that your presentation is using the master settings for the slides you want to update. Sometimes presentations have multiple master styles, so double-checking your selection can help you get the exact look you want. Once you're happy with the new design, you can continue editing your content as normal. And that's how to change the slide master in LibreOffice Impress. It's quick, simple, and very useful when you want to improve the overall design of your presentation in just a few steps. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.